Damn, 188 likes. Shit. Thank you guys for the comments. It's been a really good road, but we're not done yet here.
You need an oil pan?
Yeah.
Well, we gotta go empty it at AutoZone. Mine's full.
Oh, let's go.
So we gotta put it in your trunk and it's oily.
Really?
Yeah.
Put it in a plastic bag.
Dude, how am I gonna get a plastic bag that big?
Huh?
Hey, come here.
Put it in a plastic bag.
Just pull up right here so you can put it in.
Hey guys, rolling down with the top down, you know. It's beautiful, beautiful weather in Imperial Beach, California. Just it's Friday and I'm trying to enjoy the day with my buddy.
We're heading to AutoZone right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna pick up some oil and then do his oil change. VTEC all the way.
I'm not gonna do that.
Probably so much wind noise.
No, so much hose. I'm trying to get after us.
Oh, the Honda boys.
It's like that Honda life gets you all the hose.
Going to AutoZone, but the most important thing is that there's a Miata down here.
Where is it at?
Somewhere down there, that red thing right there.
Oh.
We're trying to zoom in on it. Miata gang, 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 gang. Going into the AutoZone, Ricer Central. We gotta pick up some chrome parts. He's gotta get a chrome license plate and then the vents for his fenders. He's gotta get the Ricer starter pack, dude.
Let me find a parking spot. Nah, let's just go ahead. No. This is the shit.
Yeah, so that's we just need to get the oil filter. You're getting 5?
6.
Our car only takes 3.
Oil filters.
How much are
This is the only one that matters. Only one. I don't know what filter to get for the B series. I forgot. I used to do oil changes with my GSR, but I forgot. It's been a long time. So I just need fuel. I just need oil filter. They don't have the big book. All they have is Shell list. Can tell you right now, the struggle is real. Finally found it.
Manager, password, please.
Hey, go right here. Bozo? No. This way? Yes.
How do you feel that it always takes us 6 hours to do simple tasks like an oil change?
I mean, it shows perseverance on our part.
We don't give up. You know, we're 12 hours into an oil change. We're going to get food now. This is going to take up an extra hour for no reason. This kid stole my battery, so I can't vlog. But I basically only have one, so I let Nat have my other 32 for her camera. Jason from Jiffy Lube. What are we doing on the car today?
We're actually doing an oil change for this Honda Del Sol right here. Hopefully it shouldn't take us 6 hours like we usually do.
He's even got the steel-toed boots. Even this guy's in full uniform to change the oil. He's got the gloves. I've never seen someone so prepared. You guys really got to promote Mr. Bringus right here. He needs a race. Alright, you're recording.
Where's the radio?
Just jack it up from the radiator, bro. Oh, dude, don't hit my car. Dude!
One hour later.
So, on our first try, we failed miserably. The car is too low, so we're gonna use a block of wood to act as a spacer, so we can get like we can get an extra high. You know, hopefully it works.
All right, load it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yes, dude. Huh? We're good. We're good.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Lower it.
Wait, raise that up a notch.
Huh?
Raise it up a notch. There you go. Something's leaking.
What?
Alright, move your head out from under there. This could get bad. Coming down?
Yeah.
Is your head out?
Yep.
You good?
Yep.
Easy. That piece of wood. Wait.
Hopefully everyone in. Oh fuck. Oh, don't fall.
Oh shit, dude, did you unplug it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It's filling up fast, bro.
Oh shit.
Bro. Oh my god.
Close call right there.
That wouldn't have been fun. Dude, it's still filling up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Fuck. No, it's. It's not filling up.
What?
It's sinking.
There's stuff coming off the tip right here. Keep it off the concrete, bro. Dude, you didn't close the fucking valve at the end. It's leaking.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oil leak.
Bro, you're fucking up to the driveway.
Oh shit. Do you have napkins? Do you have more?
Yeah. You can get out now. Put those under the spout though in case it drips.
Which one?
Right there. Yeah. I just throw them in there. There you go. He's recording now. Yep, lit. The grind. Jiffy Lube mechanic.
Finally removed the old one, replacing it with a new one. It's pretty difficult, especially the guy tightening it so hard. Just gotta lube up the seals over here. So it won't seize like this one right here. As you can see, we're getting done near sunset again. It always happens. Hello.
I sent you an email like earlier.
Done. Piece of wood because stance life, even though this car's not that low.
Now, just open the oil cap. You basically just fill it up, and we're good.
Good to go.
All right, we're done over here. Just gotta start the car and see. Then just let the oil rotate. So hopefully it's good.
Alright,
we're
let's
gonna
get this startup noise.
Alright, this is jxbee. We're just letting it rotate the oil. Alright, peace out.
Subscribe for some more videos from him. He's gonna be making some cool stuff.
It's special with this little soul.
Yep, we're making some cool Honda videos. All you V-Tech bros better subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Later, boys.
Signing out.